Let us look at the product page. The product page contains the gift description, the basket content and information about delivery. To the right of the picture you can see the gift price in USD as well as the estimated prices in other currencies. Are you ready to order? Scroll down and click the Buy Now button for express checkout. If you are interested in the special additional items or want to continue shopping, just add the gift to cart and keep browsing the website. You can check out at any time by hitting View Cart on the top of the page and then continue to check out. If you have any questions along the way, contact our customer support 24 hours 7 days a week for assistance. Our representatives will be happy to accept your order over the phone. Alternatively, please send us your order information by email
info@russianflora.com.
To find our international numbers, please go to Contact Us in Customer Care tab.